In this video, we will be sharing with you 5 steps to caring for your synthetic wig correctly. Firstly, it's vital that you wash your wig correctly. Head to our channel to see how to wash synthetic wigs. Secondly, make sure you're conditioning your wig with the right products, so using shampoos and conditioners that suit synthetic wigs. You can always shop these products at josephwigs.com. Thirdly, after washing your wig, wrap it with fibre oil conditioner. This will keep the hair strands nice and conditioned, looking natural and looking fresh. Number 4, let your wig dry naturally after washing it. You don't have to comb it through, you can put it on a wig stand and let it dry until it takes its original form. And lastly, comb your wig using a wire wig brush. Again, you can shop these at josephwigs.com. It's vital that you use a wire wig brush and not a natural human hair wig brush that you would usually use on your own hair. This is to protect the wig strands and to make sure it looks as best as possible. There are top 5 tips when caring for your synthetic wigs. But to make the process as easy as possible, you can shop a professional wig care kit that has everything you need. If you found this video useful, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next one.